So students, so far we have studied three different categories of Stone Age period, and among them where these three different periods have been found, we also studied like Bhimbetka cave and Sanganakalu in Karnataka and Neolithic age in Gafral, Mizoram, Kashmir, Chirand, and coming to the Paleolithic age also we have studied. But that is Stone Age sites in Madhya Pradesh, Bhimbetka. But coming to the your syllabus, in your syllabus they have given a case study about a particular place called Kurnool. What they found out in the Kurnool district we will be studying related to the Paleolithic period, that is the first phase of Stone Age period. So many in the Deccan region of India, that is southern part of India, as a fertile land which is very useful for the all kinds of activities like agriculture, for the habitation, for the settlement, for the shelter, for each and every human activity. This region was very suitable for the people, and many historic sites have been excavated. Excavated is nothing much is excavation, that is it's a scientific process which is adopted by the archaeological department, in order to find out the historical places or the proofs, they which the evidences or the things which are under the surface of the earth. They start digging out from the under the surface of the earth through a process called excavation. So excavation is a scientific process which helps in knowing about the historical facts, which is adopted by the archaeologists. So some places have been founded during this excavation process. So during this, the example, the Stone Age, which includes Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh and Hunsigi in Karnataka, these were the places. Along with this, Kurnool in Andhra Pradesh is another place which they have found out through excavation. So the places that were inhabited by the people, where the people have been lived during the Stone Age, include Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh, Hunsagi in Karnataka, and Kurnool in Andhra Pradesh. Then, what is the common among these three places? The availability of ample water, enormous water, and as these places were located near the rivers and they had got the plenty of stones, and these made them to use the stone as their raw material for the each and every activity. It may be hunting, gathering, for the removal of the animal skin, for the fire, especially for the discovery of fire, and even the paintings which you have seen in the Bhimbetka caves, all those drawings, all this about the life of people, all these shown or we have understood because of the stone tools which were used by these people. So students, as we studied about, as I was telling about the Kurnool districts, and they have found out the evidence related to the Paleolithic period, like places like first one is Madhya Pradesh, that is Bhimbetka, and Unsingi in Karnataka, and one more is the Kurnool districts about the in Andhra Pradesh. And coming to the Paleolithic sites in Andhra Pradesh, they have found out the other than the Kurnool, they have found out in Kurnool, Kadapa, Chittur, Nalgonda, Nellore districts of Andhra Pradesh. So these are the places which they have investigated and found out the places of the Paleolithic sites in Andhra Pradesh. So in Andhra Pradesh, not only the Kurnool, even the other places they have found out related to the Paleolithic sites or the Paleolithic period. That is Kadapa, Kurnool, Chittur, Nalgonda, and Nellore districts of Andhra Pradesh. And the evidence of the cave occupied during the Paleolithic period has been found out at the Kurnool districts. Now coming to the Kurnool district, they have found the evidence of cave where the people have been lived in the earlier days. And the famous Ketavaram rock paintings, rock paintings in Kurnool Cave, the place I said the Kurnool district. In the Kurnool district, the Kurnool cave site has been provided an evidence, that is rock paintings. These rock paintings called Ketavaram rock paintings. What is the name? Ketavaram rock paintings in Kurnool cave site has given the evidence about the Paleolithic period people in this cave site, and large number of stone tools which they were used in the earlier have been found in the this cave. Which cave? Ketavaram cave, which is known to be the one of the most important prehistoric sites in India. And they also found animals, because they have drawn the animals on the in the Bhimbetka caves in the inside, using the colors of the different stones and the other sand. They have found, like including deer, stag, antelope, hyena, and rabbit. These were the animals which they have been found repeatedly on the in the cave paintings. And some paintings shows the human figures, that we have understood that about what were the cave paintings depicts about the life of human people and their religious or the ritual practices and dancing. Same here in Karnool district, in the Katavaram rock paintings they also find the first is they found the animals, that is deer, stag, antelope, hyena, rabbit. And then they found the human figures of the human beings. That is nothing but the image of the human beings, how they were used to be in the earlier days. And one is dancing, that you know. And the artwork in the caves gives us the life of people, whatever their culture, practices, beliefs that have also existed on the cave paintings. Basically, the cave paintings or the Karnool cave site provided information related to the earlier people who lived in the Karnool cave. So these and even the traces of ash, because they were discovered the fire, isn't it? With the help of fire, they will be used for the cooking and and even for the hunting purpose and all. The ash which was left out by the earlier people as given and as evidence for the archaeologists or the historians that the people have been lived in this Karnool cave. So, students, in today's class, we learned the what are the tools which are used in different Stone Age period or the age, and which are the size they have found out related to the Paleolithic, Mesolithic, and Neolithic age. And we also saw the case study related to the Karnool caves, which is located in the Andhra Pradesh, and it tells us about the there is a Ketavaram place called uh, Ketavaram rock paintings in the Karnool cave site. It's related to the Paleolithic period in Andhra Pradesh. It the animals paintings which they have found inside the cave and the ashes which they have found out, and human images of the human paintings, all those things tells about the life of early people, their culture, their religious practices, and how they did found out the fire, and how the fire they were used for the cooking purpose, and what were the shelter they used, all those things. Basically the life of Paleolithic period people was explained by giving the case study, by knowing about the case study of the Karnool cave site. So students, in today's class, we learned about the differences between the tools and the sites which they were used about different stone age period, and also the case study which they have given an example of the Karnool cave site. So all of you, please complete the worksheet as and when it is given, and be safe and be healthy and study well. Thank you.